So, Sticks, how you doing?
I'm doing great. And I'm just doing some crap, you know.
Okay. So, what do you want to do?
I don't know. Doing random crap, that's all it is.
Truth or dare? I guess.
Oh, okay. This is gonna be a good game.
Truth or dare, Dolphin.
I think it stands for dare.
Okay. I dare you to roll over.
Really?
In 5 times.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4.
One more.
5.
That was a good one. That was a good one, by the way. That was a good one. Alright. Oh god, sorry.
Okay, my turn. Truth or dare, Sonic?
Dare.
Alright, I dare you to jump out of bed.
What? Are you kidding me?
You can't take back the dare, you had to do it.
Fine. There, are you happy now?
Yep, that's how it is.
Sweet Jesus. Alright, my turn. Truth or dare, Sticks.
Alright, how about dare?
Alright, I dare you to, slap yourself.
Excuse me? I'm a lady, you know that.
Just can't take back the dare, you had to do it.
Fine. You happy now?
Yes. That's all you have to do.
Oh god, that's the most stupidest, and I mean the stupidest slap position I ever heard in my time at life.
Huh, whatever. But at least you got slapped by yourself, Sticks.
Hey, shut up. This is the stupidest dare I ever seen.
Well, that's how it is. Well, it's your turn.
Okay, truth or dare?
Truth.
Okay, is it true that you fell in love with Amy?
No, I don't really do.
And tell us why.
Well, she is not my girlfriend, really. She's not my girlfriend.
Oh, then why you running away so fast?
Well, because she asked me out on a date.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, anyways, your turn, Dolphin.
He said, truth or dare, Sonic?
Dare.
He said, I dare you to, kick your ass.
Are you serious? Fine. I'll do it. Ow! Happy?
That's what you get, all the time.
Shut up. That is the most stupidest, the worst dare ever. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is Sonic.
And Sticks.
The stupid, annoying blue, dolphin.
Signing out.